Mastering clarity. Restrictive versus non-restrictive clauses. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to look at restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. These concepts can significantly improve the clarity of your sentences, so let's get started. Before we dive into how to use them in writing, let's have a quick refresher. Restrictive clauses are essential to the meaning of a sentence. If you remove them, the sentence's meaning changes. They're not usually set off by commas. For instance, people who speak English fluently can live in many countries. If you remove "who speak English fluently," the sentence's meaning changes drastically. On the other hand, non-restrictive clauses add additional information to a sentence. They are not essential to the sentence's meaning and are typically separated by commas. Example: Canada, which is the second largest country by land area, is known for its beautiful nature. If you remove "which is the second largest country by land area," the main idea, Canada is known for its beautiful nature, remains the same. Now, let's focus on using these clauses to improve sentence clarity. When writing, it's essential to decide whether the information you're adding is essential or extra. Rule of thumb: if removing the clause alters the sentence's core meaning, use a restrictive clause without commas. If the information is additional and can be removed without changing the main idea, use a non-restrictive clause with commas. Understanding the distinction between restrictive and non-restrictive clauses can make your writing clearer. Confusion often arises when clauses are misplaced or punctuated incorrectly. For example, consider the sentence, "I have a brother who lives in Australia." This is a restrictive clause because if we remove "who lives in Australia," we alter the meaning of the sentence. But if we say, "I have a brother who lives in Australia," it implies that you only have one brother, and he lives in Australia. The slight change in punctuation drastically alters the sentence's implication. So, it's crucial to use restrictive and non-restrictive clauses correctly to ensure your sentences convey exactly what you intend them to. And that's a wrap on restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. It might seem like a tiny detail, but understanding these can truly elevate your writing. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master in no time. Until next time, happy writing. Remember, restrictive equals essential, no commas. Non-restrictive equals extra, commas. Happy writing!